QzNoah. Today, I'm going to make slime in a blender. But Google's going to pick my slime ingredients. And for Google, I'm going to use my phone. So there's numbers on each one, like 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to ask Google to pick a number from 1 to 3. And he might say 1, 2, or 3. And if he picks 2, whatever number is 2 is going to go in the blender. But before we get into the video, I'm going to give a shout out to Joanne and Abraham. And if you guys want to shout out, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell, and comment down below a shout out, and you'll get a shout out. So now let's get into the video. This is the first round, and these are the 3 ingredients. This is clear glue, gel, and white glue. Now let's start. Okay, Google.
Hi, how can I help?
Can you pick a number from 1 to 3?
Okay. 1.
Okay, so we're gonna put clear glue in the blender. Okay, Google. So, do you know my name?
Your name is QzNoah.
Got it. Okay, Google. What's my favorite color?
You told me that you like purple.
This is the second round, and we have pink, blue, and green. So let me ask Google now. Pick a number from 1 to 3.
Sure. 2.
Okay, blue. Yes. Okay, Google. What's my favorite food?
You told me that you like macaroni and cheese.
You heard nothing. Don't forget that. Yeah.
Done. It's forgotten.
There. Yeah. So this is the third round, and Google is now going to pick a number from 1 to 3 again. And we have shaving cream, lotion, and beautiful white clay. Pick a number from 1 to 3.
All right. 3.
No! I wanted that one, but then I wanted this one. Let's put it in the blender. And it's probably going to be easier because the blender's mixing it, not me. Plop. Plop. This is the fourth round, and we have pink glitter, blue glitter, and green glitter. So now, let me ask Google. Pick a number from 1 to 3.
All right. 1.
Are you serious? Okay, Google. I didn't want you to pick number 1, even though I am number 1.
Okay. 1.
Now I'm gonna put the pink glitter glue, but I don't even like it. Who is the one who has the most subscribers on YouTube?
According to digital trends, PewDiePie is the most subscribed YouTube channel with over 66 million
I
subscribers.
knew it was PewDiePie. I don't really watch him. I just know because of another YouTube channel. Now that we have all the ingredients Google picked, we're gonna start blending it. I almost forgot to ask Google about the activator. Pick a number from 1 to 3.
All right. 2.
Thanks, Google, for your help. You're always with me.
I try my best.
Now I'm gonna put the activator. Look at how it looks so far. And now we're gonna blend. I'm scared. Okay, guys, we finally finished our slime. It was pretty hard, but it ended up good. It feels a lot like clay. It's blue, but you could still see the glitter, but not so much. Comment down below if you think Google did good picking my slime ingredients. So, do you guys like my slime in the blue color and all? Do you? I don't know. Give me a thumbs up if you like the blue slime. And also, give me a thumbs up if you thought this challenge was good. Because a lot of people do Siri. And we do... Wait up. We do Google. It sounds cool if you're just doing this. Let me flip it over. Okay, now I'm going to stick it. Oh, this is some good stretching. I'm gonna stretch it. Get it, guys. The So thanks for watching my video, and if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell. Comment down below if you like my slime and all that, and comment down below what other videos we should do. So thanks for watching, and bye!